I lost my way, no words to say. Time flies by on my mind. I'm cutting down the wires, feeling kinda tired. I think I lost myself, I think I lost myself, I think I lost it all. I'm cutting down the wires, I'm feeling kinda tired, I think I lost myself, I think I lost it all. You know I've been thinking about you.
Guys, ready? Because I'm literally just heading out. I've only got like one lamp or one light on outside, not outside, inside the house. This is what I'm wearing. I love it, guys. I wish it was daytime. I could have shown you proper detailing, but this is what that dress looks like. Very pretty fit, and I'm wearing my nude shoes with that clutch to go with the dress, and this is what the look is for the dinner tonight. The fit is really nice. I don't know if you can see it or not, but the material feels very silky and very light as well. Perfect for this weather. I am really happy dressing a bit extra after such a long time. Let me just come closer to show you guys, or maybe when I'm there at the restaurant, then I'll take better videos, because I just need to go, otherwise I'll be late and I have to go, and it's going to take me literally like 45 minutes. So yes. Alright guys, I'm just trying to give you a better close-up of my makeup. I'm really shook, to be honest, because since I've had this Dami Revolution eye makeup palette, I haven't really used it that much, because pretty much I'm just doing my normal makeup and stuff. So as you can see, it's really nice and very pigmented, although I haven't really gone really crazy and out, because I don't know that much when it comes to eye makeup. So not bad actually. Can you see how pigmented that is? I'm sorry if the glitter smudged a little bit, but not bad. And I'm going to show you my outfit, or maybe I've shown you already. So okay, my angels, as you can see, this place was packed up. I was so excited to go there. It's a beautiful, very chilled out place for young people to have good food. The ambience is really good. It's like a roof. They've got a roof area and obviously an outdoor seating as well. But as you can see, it was proper packed up, so I had to leave from there. And this is where I ended up going. Since it was obviously Saturday night, there weren't a lot of places available, although I had a reservation there in Canary Wharf. Like I said, couldn't get in there. Massive queues, didn't want to take the risk. So this is me enjoying my dinner, making my videos for you lovelies. The food was really nice as well, guys. But we found this place after a lot of searching, and that kind of put me off a little bit. But it was worth it in the end. Slightly short, but I had so much fun. I mean, like I said, from a normal day to just a glammed up night out, the restaurant was lovely. As you can see in the video, the first restaurant I went out to, it was fully packed. The queues were massive. No wonder why there's another serious lockdown taking place in the UK, in England. Not a good sight. But I was lucky enough to manage and find another beautiful restaurant. I had an amazing time, and I hope you guys did too. I will be catching up with you all very soon. Until then, stay safe, lots of love, and yes, winters are kind of officially here. As you can see me in a nice pink cozy sweater. It's too cold now, guys. I guess those days for me to wear my summer dresses are gone. Anyways, I'll be seeing you very soon with another vlog. Until lots of love, look after yourself, stay away from trouble, and I'll see you soon. Bye.